In this session, I will explain how to view your document in different ways. So that is possible using options of View tab. So click on View tab. Different options are available. The basic views are these 5. See, presently we selected print layout view. So that is when your document is going to print, how it will be look like. So that is layout of the print layout. That is the view of print layout. So if you print the document, it will be look like this. Okay, generally we will work using print layout view only. Suppose if you want only read mode, so that is for reading only, reading purpose, not for writing purpose. So if you click on this, automatically you will get reading mode. See, page 1 and side by side pages will come. You can navigate through pages like this by right clicking this arrow or left clicking this arrow. And we have some tools for reading. Suppose even you can find particular words or something, you can search for them. Suppose I want to search where is and. So just like that, you can close it. If you don't want this one, simply press escape. You will get back to print layout view. And next view is web layout view. Web layout view is useful if you have lengthy tables, means wide tables. Tables means suppose we have some tables here, but these tables are very smaller. If you have lengthy tables, then you can see in web layout mode and it will show if it is in the web page, how it will be look like this. Okay, so that is, if it is the web page, it will be look like this. If it is in website or browser, it will shows the document like this. Okay, that is web layout view. And also useful if you have wide tables, means it is showing very widely now. And next one is outline view. This view is useful to show outlines as bulleted points. You can expand them, you can collapse them, and you can place headings, and you can move the paragraphs. You can do different levels. You can prepare different levels also. Suppose this is the first level. If you double click on this, automatically that under that it will collapse the information. Again, if you double click on this, it will expand. Suppose if you want to degrade or upgrade the levels, you can do it. For example, I can demode the level like this, and I can level 2 demoted. And you can also show the particular levels. Suppose I want to show only level 2. So these are the level 2s, and I want to show all levels. And if you want to promote again, you can promote. So you can demote or promote different heading levels and different, suppose, see, if you click on this level 1, if you click on this, it is showing that is body text. If you click on this, it is showing that is under level 3. So you can degrade or upgrade the levels of the particular document. That means heading levels of the particular document. If you don't want this, you can close outline view. Okay, like this. And we have another view, that is draft view. draft view is simple quick editing purpose without extra things. So simple editing, nothing will be there, you can simply edit without any other components. Like this is useful for quick editing because headers, footers and certain objects won't show up. Okay, allowing to only focus on text. So generally we will use print layout. Okay, and according to the situation you can change your basic views like this. And we have in the latest version we have some other views also. Suppose focus view. Focus view just focusing the document, just only document. Black color came and you can simply scrolling the document like this. And if you don't want this, means you can escape it. And we have impressive reader board. So that means it will helps you to improve your reading skills. See, you can readability is much better than the previous one, and you can adjust something, the text space, everything for reading, and read aloud option is there. It will help you how to read this document. Suppose I am clicking this
SQL Server
one and
functions.
automatically one by one
Functions in
line,
SQL Server
one
are
by
the
one word
database
it will
objects that
read.
contains a set of
Okay, that
SQL
means
statements to
readability
perform
is
a
very
specific task.
better
A function
and
accepts
easier
input
to use.
parameters,
And I am
perform
closing
actions,
this
and then return
impressive
the result.
reader. Okay, and here we have basically vertical page movement. Means if you scroll the mouse vertically, it is scrolling, and if you want to scroll the pages side by side, you click on this. See, next if you scroll the mouse, means see, like a book it is showing page by page. When you turn the pages, it will be like this, and generally it will be in vertical mode. If you want rollers, see, and it will shows up the roller, vertical roller, horizontal roller for scaling purpose. When you are preparing the document or measuring the sizes and margins, better to place rollers, and if you don't want, you can deselect. Okay, and if you want, you can place grid lines also. Suppose exact measurement you are taking and how to align some text and objects in the page, then you can place grid lines where the word is ending and where the object is ending. You can find exactly using the grid line points. Okay, and you can adjust them. For example, I want to adjust exactly up to this one. You can drag the objects like already adjusted here in the. So just for adjustment purpose, exactly you can locate the position where the grid is having, up to this box, up to this grid, like that. I can say Control G, Control Z, Control Z. Okay, that is grid lines, and you can deselect. And next one is navigation pane. Navigation pane helps you to navigate through the document. See, navigation page. is in left side using navigation page. Suppose it is showing result, generally it has to show headings. You can navigate through the headings and subheadings easily. Suppose if you click on that particular heading or subheading, you can go through the page easily. You can find the locations of different areas in your document using navigation page. Just it will show main headings. You can click on the particular heading, so you can locate the page easily. That is navigation page. And if you don't want, you can close here, or otherwise you can deselect here. You can select or deselect here. Okay. And if you want to zoom your page, we have zoom options also, different zoom options. Suppose I am selecting zoom. Zoom 100% by default is already selected. See, I am cancelling. You can also zoom here. See, 100%. From here also you can zoom your page. If you are not comfortable with 100%, you can zoom it to up to your requirement. Finally, if you want 100%, just click on 100%. Okay, and one page. One page means one page clearly you can view at a time. Complete page. Normally, in 100% view, you can't view the entire page at a time. You have to scroll. But in one page mode, you can view one page at a time. And multiple pages side by side you can view like this. And we have page width option also. So just see, widely it is zooming the up to entire area of the window. Okay, like this you can arrange or you can view your document according to your requirement, and you can follow the different views per your convenience. Okay,